Bible Stories Illustrated, From Genesis to Jesus. If you are new to this channel, be sure to like, subscribe and ring the bell for all notifications for a 10-minute illustrated Bible story every day. Genesis chapter 2-3. First man. God creates Adam and Eve in the Garden of Eden. One mistake. What if one simple choice changed the entire world forever? A perfect paradise, one rule, and a forbidden fruit. In the beginning, after creating the world, God formed a man from the dust of the ground and breathed life into him. His name was Adam. God placed Adam in a beautiful garden called Eden, a place filled with life, peace, and abundance. Adam was given a purpose: to care for the garden and to live in harmony with God. God gave Adam everything he needed. Every tree in the garden was his to enjoy, except one: the tree of the knowledge of good and evil. God warned him, "Do not eat from it, for if you do, you will surely die." But something was missing. Adam was alone. So God caused him to fall into a deep sleep, and from his side, he created a woman. Her name was Eve. Together, they lived in perfect unity, innocent, unashamed, and free. But not everything in the garden was good. A serpent approached Eve. Cunning, deceptive, watching. Did God really say you must not eat from that tree? Eve hesitated. The serpent whispered, "You will not die, your eyes will be opened. You will become like God." The fruit looked good, beautiful, desirable. Eve reached out and took it. She ate, then gave some to Adam, and he ate too. In that moment, everything changed. Their eyes were opened. They saw their shame, and for the first time, they were afraid. God called out to them, but they were hiding. The perfect world they once knew was broken. Because they disobeyed, they could no longer remain in Eden. They were sent out of the garden into a world of struggle, pain, and death. And so began the human story. A story of choice, of consequence, and of hope. Because this was only the beginning. If you enjoyed this story, subscribe to Bible Stories Illustrated as we journey from Genesis to Jesus. In the next video we will hear about the first murder in history. The story of two brothers, Cain and Abel.
Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to help spread the word of our Lord. Thank you.